How do you start a new project in Altium? No worries, I'll show you how. Go to File, New, Project. Go to Local Projects, Empty, and you can call this New Project. You have your local folder, click Create. Then you want to add files to your project. Right-click, Add Schematic. Right-click, Add New to Project, PCB. And that sets you up for a good new project. Hit Save All, and the icon above. I'll name this New Project. Delete the extensions. I'll even copy the name with Control-A, Control-C. And then the schematic document will be loaded to save its name. You've successfully created a new project. You can add more things to this. If you want Altium Designer or an online course in how to get good at Altium, click the link in the description below.